Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're diving straight into how to upload files and attachments in Asana, your 2025 complete guide. First up, sign into your Asana account and navigate to the task where you want to upload your file. The reason we do this first is to ensure you're working in the right context, minimizing any confusion or mix-ups. Once you're in the right task, look for the Attachments button located just below the task description. This is where you'll be uploading your files, giving everyone involved in the task access to the necessary resources. Now that we've located the button, click on Attachments. A window will pop up, giving you various options to upload files. These include uploading from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box. This helps us because Asana supports multiple platforms, catering to your specific needs and preferences. Next, let's say you're uploading a file from your computer. Click on Your Computer, navigate to the file you want to upload, and select it. When you've done that, click Open. This uploads your file to the task. This step is important because it's how you actually add the file to the task, making it available for everyone on the task to view or download. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll know it's done when you see a thumbnail of the file appear under the Attachments section in your task. This confirmation is crucial because it reassures you that your file has been successfully uploaded and is now accessible to your team. And finally, always remember to click Comment or Update after attaching your file. This will notify your team about the new file attachment. This is important because it alerts your team to the new information you've added, ensuring everyone is on the same page. So that's it. You now know how to upload files and attachments in Asana like a pro. Thanks for joining us today, and keep tuning in for more practical guides. Until next time, happy tasking.